out live if you didn't fucking know. So today, as I promised you guys, I did record my makeup look from yesterday when we did my hair. So here I am starting with my eyebrows. I always start with my eyebrows first, you guys. I feel like if my brows are good that day, it's gonna be a good fucking day. So I just like to, start with the brows and kind of frame everything, from that point out. So here I am, like, penciling in the brows, just, a regular pencil in jet black. I always love my brows to be super jet black, no matter what color hair I'm wearing. I might switch it out from time to time, but I am just a jet black brow girl. And you guys know I love my arch really super high. So I'm just bringing both brows in close to each other. And then now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I think I'm just cleaning up a little bit, actually, the brow. But I am going to go in with my concealer, which today I'm using LA Girl Pro, in the little tube with the applicator. But I always put everything on the back of my hand. So that's what I'm doing right now. I showed you guys how much I took. And right now I'm going in with the concealer. I always start off most of the time in between the brows just to make sure they're nice and symmetrical, and just drag out and do the whole border of the brow. Now I'm taking my favorite foundation at the moment. This is in Nars color Mocao. I freaking love this foundation. If you have not tried it, definitely go and purchase it. It is a beautiful matte finish and it is buildable. You only need a little bit, but I like full coverage, so I take a small to medium amount. And I'm just making sure to get, everywhere on my face, especially since my unit is already applied onto my hair. I'm just making sure that I get, excuse me, you guys, near the temple area and all that stuff, so that our application is nice and evenly dispersed. Yeah, I really love this foundation, you guys. I've been using it for several months now and I'm almost running out. I'm super bummed out because they don't sell it here where I live. And I tried to look for it online and I can't fucking find it, you guys. So if you know how to order Nars foundation, you guys maybe drop me in the comments below. But anyways, I digress. I make sure to get the foundation, all over my eyelids and everything, all underneath my jawline. If you guys can see, put the foundation everywhere where you have fucking skin, okay? So I did touch on my brow a little bit, so I'm just taking actually my eyebrow, my edge brush, the little comb part. So, and I'm just cleaning up, yes girl, I'm just cleaning up my brow a little bit. So now I'm going in with my concealer. This is the Nars Concealer, you guys. I love this stuff. You guys saw me get a couple of them in our past few beauty supply hauls, but this is one of the best concealers that I own right now. I really love it. It's great for like every day, or also if you want to do like super glam, I love this concealer. The formula is really nice. So I'm just going back in with my beauty sponge and getting that concealer, all over my eyelids, all over my inner face, if you will, just around the eyes, close to the nose and close to the mouth. Nothing around the border of the face with the concealer. You guys will notice where we apply that. So, yeah. This is my loose powder. It is by a brand called Nabi Cosmetics. I really love their stuff. They're super affordable and it's a really high quality product for the price. So right now I'm just going in. It looks like I'm using a light hand, but I actually go pretty heavy with my loose powder, and what I do is I really pack it in there, like I pat. I pack that shit in there, okay? So, by the time I'm done packing it, you can't even tell that it was loose powder, if that makes sense for you guys. But yeah, I really pack it. You guys saw how heavy it was on the sponge. So now I'm taking an angled fluffy brush and my even contour palette. I first start by making a V at the tip of my nose, like you guys can see here, and I just drag it straight up the sides of my nose bridge. This helps to give me, I want to achieve a more snatched look around my nasal area. So this is the technique that I use. And right after I bring it up the sides of my nose bridge, I always smoke it out over top of my eyes because I do have a mono eyelid, you guys. But yeah, this just gives you a super snatched look. I poke myself in the eye. Did you guys notice? And then I like to run it also just down the center of both my lips. But yeah. And then just a little divot across to give me that little cute bunny nose effect. It's so freaking cute when I do that part. I just love it. But yeah, this is pretty much my contour routine, you guys. If you want it more in depth, I can make you guys another video, but just let me know in the comments below. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my LA Girl press powder. Okay, this is what we're using for today. I really actually love this powder, even though it is a really economical beauty supply brand. This powder just comes off onto the brush really nicely. I noticed with other brands like MAC, it is packed a little bit too tightly. So, when you go into the palette or the compact rather to try and take out the powder, it doesn't come off on the brush as nicely as this one does. So yeah, just my personal opinion. I actually prefer this powder over the MAC. Now I'm taking my favorite mascara. This is a Great Lash. Look for that pink and green tube, girl. I'm telling you, this stuff doesn't burn my eyes. I really love this mascara. It's just, tried and true, everyday simple mascara. But yeah, I'm just getting a really good coat on the lashes and everything just before I prepare to apply my falsies. Okay, now I'm going ahead and lining my lips. This is my favorite lip liner. You guys have seen me use this one before. It is from LA Girl also in the color Chocolate. Girl, if you do not own this lip liner, actually I think it's an eyeliner, but trust me, use it on your lips because this is the smoothest formula I've ever used in my life. Now I'm taking my lip color for today. This is also by Nars Cosmetics. I'm going to show you guys the tube in a second, but this is in color Sienna. Let me tell you, when I tell you this color shade will look beautiful on any skin, and this is the everyday shade that you want. It just looks so, friendly and becoming and ladylike and approachable. It's just the perfect shade. Let me show you guys. That's the tube. It is by Nars Cosmetics. It's their lingerie collection, and it goes on beautiful and velvety smooth. I love a good matte lip. I really love a good matte lip, and this just is giving what it's supposed to give. I love the color and the formula and everything. So if you guys see these lipsticks, definitely pick them up. This compact palette is also from Nars. So what it is, it's kind of like a light blusher slash highlight palette. So I'm going to be taking that peachy shade that I showed to you guys and just do my blush routine. Now my blush routine is a kawaii style blush, if you guys are familiar with that. But yeah, I do like to get it like on my inner cheeks, on the tip of my little nose, and just not everywhere where it's like conventional or slash traditional blush. Now I showed you guys that shiny, it is a light shiny, but this is what I'm going to use for my highlights. Okay, so today we're going to do a highlight because bitch, masks are off and we need to get our highlight back popping. Okay, so I'm just doing a little light, something a little slight, nothing too heavy for today because it was like a daytime look at the same time. But yeah, girl, I'm getting my highlight all together with this little brush, and I'm still contemplating whether or not what brush I like to use, like that little flat brush or what, but I think it kind of depends on the day and how I'm feeling and the look that I'm going for. I might switch out my brushes you already know we had to go ahead and get our lashes. This is from my brand, High Grade Lashes. You can check us out on Instagram. I will leave it below, but this is in style Dankisha. Yes, bitch. Okay, so I went ahead and added my lashes. I am freaking in love with this look, and I thought I was done, but nope. I had to go back in with a little bit of gloss. This is my favorite gloss at the moment. It is from NYX Cosmetics. I fucking love this gloss, girl. Okay, so you can just see that this added the touch of, femininity, like a little softer touch. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!